My name's Ray Copeland from Global Survey. I'm out here today with Troydon Contractors, who are one of the new breed of progressive contractors out there who have really embraced technology over the last few years.
We specialise in end-to-end civil works, so bulk earthworks, metal preps, foundation footings, excavations, final surfaces, asphalt, concrete.
The technology out there today is pretty exciting. From when I first started, we just had the standard tilt. We then moved into the GPS gear with Leica through Global Surveys, which sped everything up a lot. And then just recently we purchased the engcon. We did a trip overseas to Las Vegas where we actually saw the engcon. And about half a year later, talking to Ray, they were bringing them in. We thought it was a good purchase just for those tighter, fiddlier jobs where we got to get into corners that you can't get to with a normal bucket. Being able to use a 360 system really helped, just to make it a bit easier for the guys on the ground, not having to shovel as much.
Other features of the engcon is the integrated grab on here. On some of the larger machines it's removable, which just keeps the weight down and makes it better in confined spaces. And a single greasing point which greases the whole engcon tilt rotator. On some of the models we have engcon EC oil, which is a sandwich setup and allows us to basically not use couplers at all, so we can pick up the tilt rotator itself, and all of the electronics and the hydraulics is just done by a hydraulic sandwich block. So if we're picking up hydraulic tools like compactors and things like that, we can pick them up automatically. Obviously customer support is key, and one of the things you can do is use the free engcon app which Bluetooths directly to the tilt rotator. What that allows the operators to do is to change settings on the tilt rotator itself. So if you want to speed up the tilt or slow it down, you can do that all via the app. And one of the really cool features is the ability to request support. So if there was any warnings that came up on the tilt rotator, they'll appear in the app. And if the end user wants some support or remote training or anything like that, they can hit request support. We can dial in remotely to the tilt rotator and diagnose anything, change any settings without actually having to come out on site. It's a really great feature.
What we've noticed with the technology, you get to the end of the day and there's a lot more done, which is a lot more satisfying for the boys, sense of accomplishment.
We see the future of the construction industry as being predominantly technology driven, whether that be through CAD designs from the engineer right down to final as-builts from the guys on site. Key benefits for us, one being accuracy. Removes a guy on the ground with a laser or the old school string and tape and allows us to stay accurate, saving time and money. Some of the technology also helps us track how the job's running, right down to the volume of material being shifted per minute, per hour, which is huge in terms of costing and especially billing out. It also allows us to upskill our guys a lot quicker. With the young guys coming through, they're sort of born with a phone in the hand, almost native to technology, so we try and grow that within them, and they seem to pick it up really quick.
For any contractors wanting to find out more about the engcon tilt rotators, best place to go to is our website, globalsurvey.co.nz/engcon, and it's got all the various models for all the different machine types.